शादी के साल मुबारक हो। गरिमा दोनों के जोड़ा सलामत रहे, बहुत बहुत सारा खुशियाँ मिले। और खुशी और यश के मम्मी बहुत बहुत तुम दोनों से लकी सको। सारे खुशियाँ भगवान आपको आशीर्वाद मिले। ओम शांति। बाय।
Guddu and Kishan wish you a very very happy anniversary and all the best in life always. You have already been blessed with twins, so we are very happy for you. What else you want in life? Good health and stay blessed.
Happy anniversary, Kishan and Guddu.
Hi Garima, hi Kishu. Wish you both a happy anniversary. खुशी और यश ने आप सबको, आप दोनों को बहुत बड़ा, सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट दिया है। हम अपनी तरफ से बस आपको विश ही कर सकते हैं, लेकिन खुशी और यश ने आपको सबसे प्रेशियस गिफ्ट दिया है।
किशु एंड गरिमा, हम खन्ना फैमिली की तरफ से आप दोनों को वेरी वेरी हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी एंड मेनी मेनी मोर इयर्स टू कम।
One decade down, more to go. Bye.
Hi, bye bye.
Happy anniversary Garima and Kishan.
Happy anniversary Jiju and Guddu.
Wish you love and lots of happiness on this special day. 10 साल हो गए आपको और 10 साल में 2 बच्चे की माँ बन गई। बताओ, सबसे आगे।
Wishing you both wonderful, rocking, infinite years of togetherness, full of nautanki, which you guys keep doing in your filmy andaz, made for each other types. Keep rocking, guys. Keep rocking.
Happy anniversary once again, guys. Have a
Love
wonderful.
you both.
And to the kids also.
Hello Kishan Bhaiya, hello Garima Bhabhi. Wishing you a very happy 10th wedding anniversary. आप हमेशा ऐसे ही हंसी खुशी के साथ रहिए।
हंसी खुशी नहीं, यश और खुशी।
हाँ,
आप हमेशा ऐसे ही यश और खुशी के साथ आपका ये आनंदोत्सव ऐसे ही सेलिब्रेट करते रहे, यही हमारी शुभकामनाएं हैं। लव यू।
बाय।
Hello guys, wishing you both a very happy 10th anniversary. And wishing you both many happy years of togetherness together. You guys are our youngest couple, youngest by all means, and you always have this fulfilled life of togetherness. And I know this year is very special for both of you because of 2 cuties that you have today, Yash and Khushi. So tomorrow when Yash and Khushi will grow up and they will ask you that what did you do for your 10th anniversary, you can tell them that we got you in our lives as a gift to both of us. So wishing you both a very happy and a charming happy years of togetherness.
To celebrate and wish Kishan and Garima on their wedding anniversary. We are blessed that we are part of your family. You are such a loving, caring and charming couple.
God bless you and bless you with many more years of togetherness, and we are blessed to have you both in our family.
Happy wedding anniversary. God bless you.
Hello Kishan and Garima. Many congratulations on embarking a milestone wedding anniversary.
Very happy 10th anniversary to both of you. We have witnessed your love for each other grow stronger each day. Wish you many more blissful years of togetherness.
Enjoy your special day.
Hi bhai, happy 10th anniversary to both of you.
Happy anniversary, Garima Bhabhi and bhai. We love you. Hi बड़े पापा, hi बड़ी मम्मी. Happy anniversary to you. Love you. We love you so much.
Happy anniversary, Garima and Kishan. And have fun with twins and parents.
Enjoy.
Anniversary बड़े पापा and बड़ी मम्मी. I love you.
Wedding anniversary to Kishan Mama and Garima Mami. Love you both of you. God bless.
Hi Buan Fufosa, happy 10th anniversary, wishing you lots and lots of love.
Happy anniversary!
हे किशन, आप कृष्ण स्वरूप हो। आज ही के दिन गरिमा ने तुम्हारी गृहस्थी में गरिमा में चांद 4 लगाए हैं। एक दशक तक गरिमा में गृहस्थी का आप दोनों जीवंत उदाहरण हैं। दोनों स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें और अपने कार्यों में और अपने 2 नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों के साथ व्यस्त रहें। मैं यही भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, आप रहो हमेशा साथ ये हमारी आरज़ू। Happy anniversary to you, happy anniversary to you, happy anniversary Diju, happy anniversary to you. God bless you and see you soon. Please come down to India fast and we'll catch up. Have a rocking anniversary. Enjoy your 10th anniversary.
And again, wish you a very happy anniversary to both of you. Love you all.
Love you.
Hi Kishan, hi Petu. Happy anniversary to you both and all our best wishes for the baby family. Stay safe, stay happy. Take care. Ciao.
Hi Garima, how are you? How is the new mother doing? Congratulations once again, and I'm sure you must be busy all day long and Kishan must be helping you out. COVID is a blessing for you, but still it's nice that you are taking care of the kids. This video is to remind you that you came to this office when you were a teenager and now you are a mother. Congrats once again. Stay blessed, stay happy. Happy wedding anniversary.
Garima and Kishan, you two are absolutely perfect couple, made for each other. Now Khushi and Yash will strengthen this bonding more and more. आप दोनों पर ईश्वर की कृपा हमेशा ऐसे ही बनी रहे. Happy 10th wedding anniversary. Now enjoy the parenting part of your life. Stay always blessed.
Hello Garima and Kishan, congratulations for another wonderful year of falling in love with each other. Happy anniversary guys, we love you a lot and we are so blessed to have you in our family. Enjoy, have fun with your 2 little kids. We wanted to see them as soon as possible. Bye, enjoy.
Happy anniversary Garima auntie and Kishan uncle. I want to see the kids soon. Congratulations for another year with each other. Have a happy anniversary.
Hi Garima and Kishan, even though another year has passed, the love you both share continues. Sending all the love and best wishes to both of you. Lots of love again. Happy anniversary Garima and Kishan.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary Garima and Kishan.
Can't wait to see the babies. Lots of love and hugs and kisses to them. Bye bye.
Hi Garima and Kishan. Here's wishing you both a world of happiness. 10 years. Wow. Your lives have just begun with the 2 cute hearts. I wish you both many more beautiful years together and lots of love and lots of success and lots of good fun with the 2 little ones. You've got a long way to go, but it's going to be amazing, I'm sure. And I love you guys. It's been really long that we've actually got to see each other, but I hope that we will see us soon and this corona goes away. I wish you both a very happy anniversary with lots of love, loads of hugs and cheers to many more wonderful years.
Hola bicho.
Hola Kishan.
Feliz aniversario. Un beso muy grande a los 4 desde España.
Muchas felicidades.
Por vosotros.
Dear Garima and Kishan, I've known you both long enough to say how much you both support each other in the hardest of times and enjoy the best of life together. Your journey has been so beautiful and I feel so happy for you guys. On your 10th anniversary, I hope the romance and the amazing little moments of life never ends. With all the love and blessings from the other part of the world, Geeta and Manish.
Hi, a very happy 10th anniversary to you both, Kishan and Garima.
Enjoy guys. Bhai Kishan, 10 saal zindagi ke. Come on. And Garima, I'm going to tell you one thing. तूने अपने पति को तो पीने नहीं दिया, पर तेरे बच्चों के साथ मैं जरूर पीऊंगा. तो make sure तेरे बेटे के साथ जरूर पीऊंगा.
Bye, enjoy yourself. Bye bye.
Take care. See you soon.
Very happy anniversary, Garima and Kishan. Wishing you completion of the first decade and wishing you many, many, many more decades of happiness and love. And the best part about this year and the best news about this year is Khushi and Yash. Love you guys for getting them into this life. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you both and the tweenies. Lots of love and hugs. Enjoy.
Very happy anniversary, guys. God bless.
Hello, Garima Kishan. Wishing you a very happy 10th wedding anniversary. Yes. Hope you are having amazing time with the twins, and we look forward to meet you guys soon.
And the twins. I want to see the twins.
Yes, and the twins. And have a wonderful time with them. Yes. And many more anniversaries to come. We'll celebrate it. We are waiting for the COVID to go down. The party is due for the twins and their anniversary. Have a great time. Enjoy from our side. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi Garima, hi Kishan. Happy 10th wedding anniversary. This is your 10th wedding anniversary. Imagine 10 years have passed by. So 1 decade has already passed by. Forever to go for you guys. This year has really marked a special one for you. It is Yash and Khushi came into your lives. So definitely this 10th year of you guys together has marked a special day for you. Happy 10th anniversary.
Hi Garima Kishan, happy anniversary 10th anniversary. Hope you enjoy your day. Once again, happy 10th anniversary. Bye bye.
Hi Kishan and Garima, happy 10th anniversary to you. बहुत खुश रहो and wishing you many more years together of love and care for each other.
Happy 10th anniversary, guys. Have fun and maybe control a little bit for a while, and then
Hello, guys.
Hey Kishan, hi Garima. Just wanted to wish you guys a happy 10th anniversary. This is one of our winter walks in the neighborhood. We're missing you guys. Hope to catch up with you guys soon, okay?
Take care.
Hi Garima, hi Kishan. Wishing you both a very happy anniversary. May God keep blessing the two of you and may your love always be timeless. सच में मैं इतनी खुश हूँ तुम दोनों के लिए. Now that you have cute little prince and princess in your life, Yash and Khushi. So I just pray to God that your life fills with more and more lovely moments. God bless you all. This is a beautiful card made for both of you by my daughters. So enjoy your day. Lots of love.
Happy anniversary, Masi and Masa. I love you.